Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can upload and change the cover image of your own Shopify website. So first, when you first log into Shopify, this will be the UI you will be greeted with. Now, from here, if you want to change the cover image or anything of that matter, when you want to modify your website, you need to go to here, Online Store. And Online Store, you can see there's a couple of options here on the drop-down menu, but the thing you want to go to is Themes right here. On Themes, you want to click on this button here to customize it. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, as you can see here, when you first log in, this will be your cover image here, right? As you can see from the previous page here, this is the cover image right here. So we want to change the image banner right here, right? So let's just click on Customize. Once you click on Customize, you see when you hover over it, you'll see it's called an image banner, right? You can click on this, or you can click the section here on the left hand side called image banner 2. Here you can see that there's a first image option and a second image option. If you want to upload your own, you can just click on select image, and then you can click on this to upload your image. When you click on upload image earlier, it'll open up your folder to see where you can upload an image you want. I'm going to upload this image of a shirt, and as you can see, it'll show that it's uploading, right? So just give it a second to load. Once it's uploaded, you'll see file uploaded, and you can see the image here will be brightened now. Just click on done. Now once there, you can see now the cover image would be changed into the shirt or the image I uploaded earlier. There's also another way you can do this is by exploring the free images that Shopify provides for you. There's a lot of different options here, like staff favorites, shop local, women's fashion, fall, men's fashion, food, nature, coffee, shopping and sale, kids and babies, a lot. Anything you can think of, you could probably find here. You can also have a search function here. For example, I want to put in books, so I'm just going to search books, and as you can see, there's a lot of images of books that comes up. I'm going to do this one, for example. I'm going to click on select. And as you can see here, when you pick on second images, it'll just split it on the center like this, right? If you want to change the pre-existing images that you have, you just have to click on this to change. And then you can either select from library. If select from library, it's the one where you can add in an images of your own. But for my example, I'm just going to make it another free images. For example, here I'm going to make it fall. And then I'm going to put in this picture of a pumpkin pie. Besides this, you can also have the image overlay opacity at 100%, which it'll just disappear, or slightly visible there at 90%, or you can make it 0%, where it'll be 100% non-opaque. But besides that, this is how you change the cover image of your Shopify page. Let's save, and then let's see if the cover has changed. Wait for it to load here. There you go. Now it's loaded. Let's click on exit. Now give it a second to refresh, but there you go. Now the cover image has been changed.